Hi,
Hi, I'm Dustin
I'm Chris.
with Jazz Wealth Managers. Actually, we have a new logo, by the way.
Mm.
Hope you like it. That's vintage. This is new. Actually, this even we've adjusted a little bit. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be
It's
great.
gonna be great.
Great.
Hey, this happened to me last year, sadly. Big tax bill. What do you do if you get a big tax bill and you're like, well, I don't have that money. I spent it all. We're gonna give you 4 ideas here today. So Chris has got 2 of them. I've got 2 of them. Teamwork. We're gonna make it happen. Number 1.
For one. Well, first and foremost, pay your taxes.
You gotta pay your taxes.
We don't want to tip Uncle Sam.
Oh, he went
Yeah.
with it. Yes. That's Chris's new phrase there, actually, coined by him, right? That's your thing.
Feel free to use it.
I'm not using it. That's Chris's thing. We want to pay our taxes, our fair share, but we don't want to tip Uncle Sam.
He'll take it.
He was so excited. When
No
he came up
questions
with
asked.
it. It's a
I
good
wasn't
one.
that excited about it.
It was a good one. It
I
was.
was
a good
excited that you wanted to use it.
one. No, I love it. I love it. All right, give him one. What do you got?
Apply for a payment plan.
Yeah.
Short-term plan.
Yeah.
Long-term plan. Short-term is like 3 months. Long-term can be extensive.
Yep.
Right. So, hey, you gotta call him. Can't make it. Help me out here. Okay.
Yeah, they're not easy to get a hold of, but there are people there, and you can actually do this digitally now, where you can apply for a payment plan, and you can pay directly through an app, which is theirs. It's not a third party. IRS, the number 2, and then go. That's how I did it last year. I tested it out throughout the year, making some estimated quarterly payments, and you think like it's so easy. You think it's going to get lost, and nope. Turns out I underpaid. They saw how much I underpaid, and they asked for more money. Worked out. Now, if you're really in trouble, my suggestion, you ask for an offer in compromise. Now, this one's a little bit different here because you're going to start working with, you're going to open up your shirt, so to speak, right? You're going to show them your income, your expenses, your assets, and that's they're going to basically work with you to figure out, do you have the ability to pay us more? And if not, okay, you pay this much here. We'll make this offer in compromise there.
Cards are on the table.
But they're going to see everything about you, though. This is open the robe. That's what it was. Open your robe up. There you go. You can't pay. My grandmother actually did that years ago.
Full frontal. Grandma.
Full frontal. Grandma did that.
Fantastic.
I wasn't there for that, but I helped her. What do you got?
Ask for a delay.
Okay.
So you can call, explain your financial situation.
Yep.
They'll kind of weigh that. Say, hey, okay, we can delay the payment. Now there's some fees there.
Yep.
A little bit of interest, right? Kind of bite you in the butt. However, ignoring them is not the answer.
No, that doesn't go away.
They do not go
They're
away.
going to find you. And remember, this will be my next one. This is kind of a big one. People say like, "Oh, I'm going to file an extension, and therefore that means I'm not going to have to pay until October, whatever it is, 15th." Well, you don't have to pay. I mean, I guess, but when you file the extension, I mean, you're supposed to pay your bill by April 15th. If you choose to file an extension, all you've done is you've asked to delay the filing, right? So you're saying, I'll turn in all the information by October 15th. The dollars, at least most of the estimated dollars, still have to go in. So found that out the hard way like 10 years ago, something like that. Anyways, so that's that part. So there you go. We just wanted to give you a handful of things because that does come up. And obviously it is tax time. So if we sound a little bummed out today, that's why.
Interesting and relevant, they say.
Yeah.
What do all 4 of those things have in common?
Taxes.
And
Money.
actually have to communicate with the IRS.
Yeah. You got to communicate. And I know most people don't think it's like intimidating. Just remember that their training, it's not that they're bad people, but they train them really well to make it like these people are trying to get away with not paying their taxes. So they do have that, every time I've talked to them, they do have that approach of like, you're trying to get one over on me. They're humans, right? Work with them. All right. You have like, what's the sign off? What's your thing?
What's the sign off?
I think it should be great.
Be great. Great. Do your best.
Would you like people to call you? Maybe. Would you like them to schedule an appointment on? You can say no.
You go into the dojo,
No. You go on the website.
go on the website, sign up for a chat,
You schedule a call.
and you can be like, "Hey, I want to talk with Chris.
I'll
I
talk with-
have a annuity question. How do I get my money out of this thing? I'm 62 and my wife is 68, we got to put a plan
I'll
together.
figure it out. I'll
Okay.
tell you what, though, it's a little bit easier to get a hold of them if you call and ask for greatness.
They know who to give it to.
Yeah, they know.
Let me
who
see
we-
if he's available.
Yeah, greatness is around the corner. Actually, I'll get right back to you. Don't worry.
They will know who you're talking about.
All right. See ya.
Bye-bye.